Hi, this is Kim.
And this is Qatar.
And we're cooking with Qatar Flour Mill's all-purpose #1 flour.
Doing what today?
Maamoul.
Ooh, stay tuned, you guys.
So what we're going to do, we're going to start with semolina. So we need 3 1/4 cups of semolina, fine semolina. And now we're going to add our Qatar Flour Mill's #1 all-purpose flour.
So I heard QFM all-purpose flour is really good for like savory and sweet.
It's great. It's all-purpose flour. It's really fine and it's very white, so it's really good quality for all baking needs. And it's made in Qatar, which is excellent. We like that, don't we? So now we're going to add a couple of cups. So next we're going to add our icing sugar, bit of baking powder. We've got some softened butter here that I've just zapped in the microwave. At the end it feels like sand. That's what you want. You want a nice texture. This is the thing about baking and cooking in the kitchen. And of course, it's about being with other people. Like you today, Gardi.
Like me today. Big company.
Yeah. What we're going to do, we're going to add the liquid. So we're going to add the milk and some beautiful orange blossom water. Yeah, put that all in there. We're just going to keep mixing until it's in a nice dough.
We're going to use this plastic wrap and just to cover it up and let it sit for about 1 hour at room temperature. And after 1 hour, we'll be back to it.
Okay,
so stay
great.
tuned.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Yeah, so do you use QFM for everything, like when you do cooking?
Yeah, I use it for pancakes, I use it for waffles. It's really nice for breaking.
It's really good. I tried it for cookies.
Oh, did you?
Yep, on pizza dough. My mom actually tried it and she was like, it's really good. Like, we've been using QFM ever since it started.
It's great because it's a local product too. I love local products.
The 1 hour is done, and now we're gonna start making the maamoul. So we'll use the maamoul maker.
We just want to get a little bit of a handful and just warm it up in our hands like this. And people flatten them out. You can use a rolling pin. And then we're going to place it in there. Make a hole like that.
Okay. And then we can put the date.
Yeah. Now this is date paste. And what you can do actually is you can add lots of different ingredients. Like we've got some beautiful nuts here, such as pistachio.
Oh.
Yeah, you like pistachios,
yeah,
right?
I do.
Almonds, also walnuts. And coffee. This is a nice little ingredient just to switch it up.
This is something new, exactly.
This is something new. We're going to pop our little date ball in there. So there we go. We just put it on top there and then push it together so it all flattens out together. You're doing a beautiful job, Qadir.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Yeah, I have some skills, you know?
You do,
They're
you
just
do.
hidden skills.
You've got skills. And this is the fun part. So if you've got kids at home, they'd love doing this. Ready?
All right, ready.
1, 2, 3. She did it.
Yay,
amazing.
Guys, I'm so happy.
First maamoul.
First maamoul. All right.
Isn't that beautiful? I just want to show everyone. There you go. It's a beautiful maamoul.
Yep. It looks exactly like the ones we buy.
Yeah, it looks exactly, and it doesn't take long at all, and it's really easy, and you can flavor it with lots of different ingredients. So we're going to put that on
So we just tried this one with dates, and we'll try another thing, right?
Yep. I think I might add a little sprinkle of
coffee.
Just a little sprinkle in there. And push that all in. See, this is what it's all about. It's about cooking together.
Exactly.
Isn't it?
And then learning from the experts.
Oh, well, I don't know about that. Thank you anyway. Do it ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey!
We're going to make a few more and we're going to put it in the oven and we're going to give them a try. And this is edible gold dust.
Ooh. Did you see like just saying golden dust? Whoa.
So we're just going to get a little brush and we're just going to dip it in there and look, this will make it all glittery and gold. Isn't that gorgeous? I love those. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. Bit of bling. We're doing a bling.
Bling.
We're blinging up the maamoul.
Woo. That was amazing.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Gadir, for joining me today.
You're very welcome.
And helping with these Maamoul. And this is going to be perfect with a karak or a coffee.
Exactly, and you can always have this in your celebrations any time of the year, like Eid or New Year.
Absolutely. And thank you, Qatar Flour Mills, for giving us this all-purpose flour, #1. So support local and go and buy it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
We do well. That was me.
Woo!